What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And I had a thought. What is the perfect gardening bed, the environment, the compost, and ways to keep it going? Let's explore that and let's talk about it. All right, y'all, this is my rosea. I'm gonna show it off a little bit. But anyway, first thing, fabric pot and fabric containers. A lot of people have a lot of success with this, but over long term, they fall apart easy, pull apart, and it's hard to build soil in them. Building soil over years, you're adding things to it, amendments, all the organic matter and everything that makes soil better and grow better. It's hard to do in this bag. It really is. They're not built for a lifetime. So when you're building soil, that's something you're trying to do over years and years. So fabric bags, and I would say containers in general, is not the best growing bed. I just feel like that. I mean, even some of your nursery pots that are built for long-term use, it's hard to build soil in a container. It's just, it is. So let's look at some more options. Very, very good option. Oh, look at that. Look at that onion. Oh, look, I ain't have to move the soil around her. She gonna move the soil off around herself. All right, focus. All right. Ooh, potato uncovered, so we gotta cover that up. Yeah, we're gonna cover that up. I gotta stay focused though. All right, raised beds are a great option. Great option. But wood don't last forever. And for the metal beds I got, that's a little better option. But most plants don't go deep enough to get those nutrients that's in the ground. It's only getting nutrients from the soil that's in there. And that's fine, and you can build soil in this and everything, but it's still not the same as making contact with that good grind. That good grind contact has all the great nutrients that's been building for hundreds of years. It's not the same. It's a very good option, but it is not the same. Now, what I believe is the greatest option of growing beds. Let me get these weeds. I don't want nobody saying in the comments, how your plants gonna breathe with all these weeds competing with nutrients? Yada, 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 whatever. But anyway, personal opinion, because my channel is based off my personal opinion. Growing in the ground is the greatest bed you can get. Add wood chips, other organic matter that break down over years, and plus the soil that's underneath the soil that I built, it has nutrients in it. So I'm putting nutrients on top of nutrients, and it's not built up enough where the roots can't go down into that original soil. To me, building soil in the ground and growing in the ground, it is nothing greater. Even from a price standpoint, if I never put compost or fertilizer in here, I still can dig holes and put compost in place, kitchen scraps, things of that nature, old fruit, coffee grinds and things like that. I still can continue to build this soil. Growing in the ground and getting the mother nature, or however you want to put it, God, soil, whatever, to me is the greatest option when it comes to gardening. Now, once again, this is just my opinion, but let's dive deeper into it. So now that I feel like growing in the ground is the best garden bed, what are the best things to add to this space for it to be great? The greatest garden bed. All right, for a great and perfect garden bed, you got to start off with compost, y'all. Now, I got my tumbler and I'm building soil. And a lot of this is old bills. Old bills. You ain't gotta pay them, but you can put them in the compost. You know what I mean? But it just starts with compost. Compost adds so much to your soil, so many nutrients. And is that plastic in there? How did I get plastic in there? That's neither here nor there. But compost adds nutrients to your soil. It's building soil by adding compost. It's over the years improving your soil makeup. You got to start off with compost for the perfect garden bed. Preferably your own compost. Just broken down plants, and it's a carbon to whatever ratio. I don't respect none of that. My first test is, does it stink? Does it have a bad odor to it? You know, add more brown to it, more green. Look it up. It's all Googleable. My point is, you have to have good compost to build soil for the perfect bed. If you're gonna use fertilizer, just what I do, I'm not telling you what to do. Organic fertilizer has some advantages over synthetic. It doesn't leave a crust on your soil. It helps build the soil. It helps loosen the soil. And it's organic matter that you add, and it's good for your garden bed. Organic fertilizer don't take nothing away from the soil. Don't rob the soil of nutrients. It's not a quick fix. It's a long-term aid and help for your plants that's in ground. Now, am I saying don't use synthetic fertilizer? Do whatever you want. Your garden is your business. But we're just talking about the perfect garden. And one of those aspects is using organic fertilizer, because we talked about long-term soil building, and organic fertilizer do it. I just said what I said. Another aspect of the perfect garden has to do with the perfect plants. Now, I'm not saying start everything from seed, because heck, I know bunting too. We all know bunting. But starting out with disease-free plant. What is this? Pineapple tomato. There she go. I got you, baby. I got you. Okay. Oh, focus broken. But starts out with disease-free plants, because once those plants are diseased, it brings bad bugs to your garden. Those bugs are there to compost dead things. The roly-polies, all this other stuff, they are there to compost disease-ridden, dying plants. To keep those bugs out, one thing you do is you keep bad plants out. Plants that ain't holding on for dear life and attract every bad bug in a 1/4 mile radius. So good plants are a great part of a perfect bed. Only put plants in your bed that are healthy, that are thriving. If you got 3 plants and one of them is real small while the other, shut up birds, and the other 2 are huge and thriving, don't put that plant in your garden bed. It's going to affect your whole garden ecosystem with one bad plant. You can't have a perfect garden with bad plants. It takes one bad plant to ruin the whole bunch. You are not going into bed. Now, I believe, when I say I believe, I mean my personal opinion, that no-till gardening is the best thing for the perfect garden bed. I tell you why. Every time you till, it disrupts the soil. When you have no-till, the soil stays intact. There's less runoff. When you fertilize these beds, that fertilizer stays in place. The soil is together, tight, and compact. It doesn't lose nutrients. Everything is here for the taking. When you get a minute, Google no-till gardening, and I'm pretty sure you'll believe in it too. I just believe no-till is perfect for the perfect garden bed. Last aspect of the perfect garden bed is full sun. All day sun. Now full sun starts at 6 hours, but all day sun just does something different from your garden. The perfect garden bed got to be in a place where that good God light shines on it all day long. Nothing to obstruct the sun from sun up to sundown. Is great sun. That good God light make everything better and everything greener. So if you got a perfect garden bed, you got to have full sun where everything can get in here. All the beneficial bugs, everything is wide open. Don't obstruct the perfect garden bed. To me, this is perfect, y'all. If it get better than that, I don't know how. All right, let me say it like this. The perfect garden bed varies from gardener to gardener. For your situation, the perfect garden bed might not be nothing like my idea of the perfect garden bed. I'm very biased about the perfect garden bed because I feel like I got the perfect garden bed. So I'm gonna say it just like that. Everybody's opinion is different when it comes to how you garden and what's best for your gardening system. Everybody has a microclimate. Your microclimate in your yard is nothing like mine. So the things that I think make my garden so awesome might not be your thing. If you're a container gardener, you should do a video about the perfect container garden. If you grow strictly in raised beds, you should do a video about the perfect garden raised bed. It's all about enjoying your gardening environment and what you think is the best that you can achieve. Now, what I chronicle is what I think is the best that I can ever hope to achieve in my garden. You got me? Now, once we do all this gardening, we start harvesting. That's what I'm about to do. And I'm gonna put a couple harvesting clips at the end of this video if it's cool with you. If you like the video, comment, like, subscribe, share it out if you feel so inclined. Know what I mean? All right, let's get some of these onions. She ready to come out. Now, ain't she a beaut? Is she huge? No, she's an onion bulb. I don't even like onions. So that's one nice one. And look, she done drooped up and laid down. She done gave the ghost up. Oh yeah. Ooh. Jesus. Jesus. That is a huge onion. Gotta be the biggest onion in the world. Got to be. Ooh. All right, let's get some more of these huge onions. These ain't starting to lean over, but they coming up out the soil. So, ooh. Yeah, y'all. Long day onions won't bulb in Georgia. Look like 2 onion bulbs right there. Those some pretty huge onions, to be honest with you. All right, this garlic's starting to brown up. Let's get some of this garlic out of here, y'all. It's nice garlic side. I almost said onion, garlic onion mix. Some more good garlic. I ain't mad at that. On the smaller side, but it's a lot of small ones, you know what I mean? A lot of small ones make a lot of garlic, y'all. Look at that. Some good garlic. Oh, we got some nice sized garlic too. We got some nice sized garlic. Let's keep pulling. More nice garlic. Number nice garlic, y'all. Small. I like it though. Ooh, that's a lot of garlic. It's just one spot. Some more onions. I don't want to disturb my potatoes. Smaller bulb, but it's a bulb. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm saying nice like I'm gonna eat it. Now, that's not big, but it's garlic, y'all. Let's keep it real. All right, y'all, look at this big boy onion here. Now, it's huge on the top. Oh my goodness. Now that's a nice size onion, y'all. That's a nice size onion. All right, I'm gonna dry them all in my shed like I dry everything else. Dark, no light. That's a huge onion, y'all. Thought my garlic would have been a little bigger, but I'm okay with that, y'all. That's just one spot I took garlic from. I got garlic everywhere, y'all. Now, while we're in the shed, let's check on a couple of our bags, y'all. She dried up. It's time to come in the house. All right, let's check on the oregano. Come on, open up, open up. Oh, she dried that. No, she ain't quite dry yet. She ain't dry. Stay out here. Stay out here. Deal. They said deal dry fast. All right, it's been about 4 days. Nope, not dry yet. I just wanted to update this harvesting. A harvesting video I did. That's all. Now this is rosemary. Still not ready. All right, y'all, just a little update for some of y'all who asked for an update. There you go. Now add that to the harvest. If I ain't the blueberry king, then who is? This is my 3rd picking, and I still got plenty of them on now. Big berries, no whammies, baby. No whammies. Dude, I don't pick so many strawberries. I'm sure I got carpal tunnel. I might not go to work, man. I don't know. I'm about to lay down, man. My back about to give out.